Good morning, Dr. John Dahlman, chiropractor in Grand Forks, and I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today is the first day of winter. That means we have 12 more days of 2020, and on 12 days it'll be the first day of 2021. And we often get into a new year making resolutions that we're going to improve our health and well-being. We're going to quit our bad habits, and we're going to adopt new habits that are healthy and good for us. And when we do that, we often overreach what we're trying to accomplish. We might start a new fitness program that makes us extremely sore and extremely tired, and by the middle of January to the end of January we quit, and I guarantee you that's what happens. If you've ever consistently been to the gymnasium and you go to the gym and you exercise and you exercise and you see people at the gym, and then all of a sudden, bam, here comes January, and you can't even find your favorite exercise equipment. And then by the end of January, beginning of February, you can pick out any piece of equipment that you want, because the consistency falls way off for all of us. And what I propose is, let's start now. Let's start exercising now, today, 12 more days before the first of the year. And then we can take that and we can build on that and ramp up our level of health and fitness, rather than just jumping in as hard as we can go. And with this season, we should be more prepared to improve our health and well-being, because we've seen this whole year of what happens when we're overweight, when we're overstressed. We've seen the effects of what a virus can do to our systems. So let's make 2021, and starting the last 12 days of 2020, ourselves healthier by exercising, laughing, eating better, so that we can move into a healthier body. In 2021, we can have a better year than 2020.